In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add stock in Zoho Books. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First, open up your preferred web browser and navigate to the Zoho official website, which is at zoho.com. Once you arrive on the homepage, look towards the upper right corner of the page where you will find the sign in button. Go ahead and click on this button to access your Zoho account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up for one, but today we'll go ahead assuming you already have your credentials ready. Once you're signed in, you will be redirected to Zoho Home. This is essentially your launchpad for accessing various Zoho applications. Now from the home page, locate and click on the Items section. This section is crucial as it serves as your centralized hub for managing inventory and stock. Within the Items section, you will see a list of your existing inventory. To add a new stock item, look for the New Items button, which is usually prominently displayed. Click on New Items to proceed. This will open up a new page or a form where you have the option to input the details of the new stock item you wish to add. Now it's time to fill in the details of the new item. You'll need to provide several important pieces of information here, including the item name, the description, and any SKU number you might be using. You'll also need to enter pricing details, including both the selling price and possibly the cost price depending on your requirements. Additionally, should you have specific sales accounts or tax preferences linked to this product, make sure to fill those out accurately. It's important to review all the details thoroughly before proceeding to ensure everything is set up correctly. Once you've filled out all the necessary fields and double checked for any errors, go ahead and save the new item to finalize the process. You should now see your newly added stock item appear in your inventory list within Zoho Books. By following this process, you can easily manage and track your inventory. This not only keeps you organized, but also helps your business run more efficiently. Regularly updating and auditing your stock through Zoho Books can lead to better inventory management and in turn might improve your business's overall performance. So go ahead and start adding your new items today. And there you have it, a straightforward method to add stock in Zoho Books. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials that help keep your business streamlined and efficient.